This is how to use OBS Studio as a multi-view monitor. You can mix your camera feed professionally and live stream with different camera angles. Let's get started. So we're going to open OBS Studio. And here I have two scenes. I have this scene. Let me rename it. Let me make it 1, then 1 and 2. I have two scenes here. So let me say I want to have 3 camera angles, right? Let me make it 3. And in the first one, we're going to add our first camera. So here I'm going to assume you already have your camera, but in this case, instead of using the video capture device, I'm going to be using the media just to import videos. So media, let me name this cam1, then let me import the video. Let me bring this one in for the cam1. Then let me go to cam2. Then let me add another video, minute cam2, and I'm going to do the same thing. So for this tool here, I'm just going to do some minor tweaks to the properties here. I'm going to enable the loop. I'm going to use hardware decoding, then uncheck the restart. Then I'm going to click on OK. I'm going to do the same for this cam1 here, properties, then loop, use hardware decoding when available, and restart playback. Then click on OK. So we have these 2 videos now in OBS Studio. Then for the third camera, let me add a video from my phone. Let me say cam3. So here I'm going to use the iRun webcam that is connected from my phone, and as you can see it here, the camera is right here. Then Ctrl F to fill it in. So here what we're going to do is we're going to go over to File and Settings. Then we'll go to Hotkeys. So here we can assign different keys to perform different actions. So you can see here transition, I have the right and quick transition cut left. So the arrow keys are going to be transitioning, fade and cut. So for switch to scene, you can see I already added this one. I'm going to be using number 1, 2, 3 to switch the scenes. Then come to switch to scene for 2. Then 3. Let me add this 3. Then I'm going to click on apply. Then I'm going to click on OK. So go to your view and open multi-view, select new window. Then you can see 3 of the cameras here. You can make it bigger, or you can just make it full screen, but I like making it a little bit smaller, so that if I want to adjust any other thing, I can adjust it. So we're going to put it here. Then here we're going to right click and always on top. So even if you're doing something on OBS Studio, maybe like adjusting audio, the feed is still on the screen. Using the right key here, I'm going to fade this one to the program. Then using number 1, you can see it changes. Then I can fade it. Then number 1, I can cut it. Number 3, I can cut it with those hotkeys. Cam1, you fade. Cam2, you fade. Cam3, you fade. Then Cam1, you cut it. Cam2, you cut. Then Cam3, you cut. So it's as simple as that. Thank you for sticking to the end of the video. If you got any value from the video, kindly subscribe to the channel, leave a like, comment, and I'm going to see you in the next video.